going on, man? It's your boy Tony B2Y checking in once again. Sneakerheads clothing line. Shout out to the homie for giving me this.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Red Milwaukee 414 coming back at it again, straight from Sneakerheads clothing line. And today, got a little announcement. So, I'm actually giving up the game when it comes to the sneakers. What I'm gonna do since I'm giving up the game is I'm actually gonna start selling my sneaker collection. Nah, I'm just man. I'm not really actually selling my sneaker collection. But what I am actually doing is I'm actually selling a lot of my double ups and a lot of sneakers that I have that I ended up buying, like impulse buys or whatever, that I'm really not ever gonna wear. Like I've had forever and I've never worn them. So what I'm actually doing with a lot of my double ups and pairs that I'm just not gonna wear that I have, I'm actually selling them on Stockx. So I know I'm always saying, you know, I like to buy double ups or whatever, and I do, but the reason why I'm doing this is to free up space for new sneakers, especially for this year. But then also as well, I'm actually in the process, me and my wife, we're actually in the process of buying a brand new house from the ground up. So with closing costs and different things, you know, freeing up money and, you know, and maneuvering some, you know, some bread, I'm actually like, man, you know, I'm gonna sell, you know, a lot of sneakers, you know, like that I have that are useless, that I have that I'm never gonna wear, and that also as well that I have double ups on that I really don't need double ups on. So and like I said, to free up space, but then also as well, you know, the main thing is because, you know, on some grown-ups, being a grown-up and having real responsibilities, you know, to free up some extra cash to go towards closing costs and whatnot, man, you know, I'm selling sneakers, you know, so that's what I'm in the process of doing. So no, I'm not selling my whole sneaker collection, and no, I'm not out the game. I was just BSing around. But in reality though, I'm selling a couple sneakers that I don't need, or, you know, that are, I don't want to say useless, but, you know, just freeing up. I've never seen anybody do a Stockx video as far as, not saying it's never been done. I'm not saying that, because I'm pretty sure it has. But I've seen a lot of people do Stockx pickups and stuff like that. I mean, I've even done Stockx pickups, you know, which I do all the time. But I've never seen anybody actually do, I guess, like a how-to when it comes to selling on Stockx, or the procedures about selling on Stockx. So I said, why don't I do that, since I'm in the that's what I'm in the process of doing. And I've actually had this sneaker right here actually sell today. Yeah, it was today. These sold today. So since these actually sold today, I was like, this would be cool for a concept for a video, because I've never seen it done before. Even though it probably has been done before, I've just never seen it. So this sneaker right here is actually the Game Royal 4s / the Motorsport 4s from last year. This is my double up pair. So I did a review on this last year. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you guys go check that out on the channel. So I'm actually selling this pair right here. This is the Motorsport 4s. I've actually done pretty much a couple of the steps about selling on Stockx, but let me get to all the steps first of all. So when you're selling on Stockx, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you have to have a dead stock pair of whatever. You go on the website and you post it, and then you place what dollar amount that you want to sell it for, and if you have the lowest bid on what you're selling it for, people will see that as the lowest bid, and that's what they go off of. So if they want to buy it at that price, then they buy it at that price. If somebody bids lower than you, then that price, when somebody sees it and they agree to it, they will cop at that price before they cop at your price, because obviously their price is lower. So you always want to stay in tune on Stockx about you know, if your price is lower than the competition and if you have the lowest price. So, and if you're not comfortable being at the price that it is at the time, that is the lowest price, then, you know, you just be patient and hold out. And then sooner or later, whatever you're comfortable with selling at, sooner or later, preferably somebody will buy at your price. I had the lowest price for the Motorsport 4s, and my bid got accepted by somebody, and they paid, they bought at the price that I felt comfortable selling them for. So you'll receive an email, which I'll put like right here or right here, but probably right here. So you'll get an email saying that your bid was accepted by somebody and they bought your pairs. So then once you receive that email, you'll also have an icon in that email saying the print the shipping label. And so you click on that, it will take you directly to Stockx, to the website, to your account. And then you'll have to click another icon which says print shipping label. And then once you click that icon to print the shipping label, it will bring you to this right here. Not gonna show everything, but you receive 2 pages, which one is the shipping label, and then the other one is the shipping manifest. Basically, it's basically the shipping manifest, which has like your order number on it. So when it gets to Stockx, they know, you know, that this is basically coming from you, and who is it going to or whatever. So that's basically how they keep track. So anyway, the shipping manifest, you put that inside the box or inside the shoe box, sneaker box, and then the shipping label, you know, you tape on the outside of the shipping box. So when you ship out, and then they ship with UPS. So Stockx ships with UPS, and then after you know I package all this up, take it over to UPS. They'll scan it in and take it, and then just wait for the couple days for it to get to Stockx. Once it gets to Stockx, they will unpackage it, verify that the shoe is, you know, dead stock and that it's authentic, and then once they do that, they release the funds directly to you, just like that. So it's pretty simple, but I just wanted to get the preliminaries out the way, and then tell you basically step by step how it goes. I have it right here. I'm about to do the steps by packaging this up, and then I'm gonna take it over to UPS. So let me start packaging this up first, and then we'll go into the next steps. All right? Okay, so basically how it goes is that you'll receive an email once your sneaker is sold, basically like this, which I received today from Stockx, showing that the Motorsport 4s that I put up for sale for the price that I put for, the bid that I put for, sold. So once you receive that, this is the email, and it basically shows that, you know, hey, it's sold, this is the date, and then you click on the icon, which is right here in blue showing print shipping label. You click on that, it takes you straight to Stockx. As we will see here, Stockx is loading up. Takes you directly to your selling section, shows loading, and it's taking forever to load. But anyway, and then here it will show the shipping label, and then just print the shipping label, and then you also print off the there's also going to be like another like letter that you put inside the box with the sneakers, basically like the order number or whatnot, so they know what, you know, who goes to what or whatnot, and then you ship out. So let me print this off, and then I'll come right back to y'all. All right, so I got them all printed out here, as you guys can see. Excuse the darkness, it's a little bit dark in here, but you know, got it all printed out. So all I need to do now is go to the next steps. So hold on a second, and we'll get to the next steps.
moments later.
All right, y'all. So this is the final project of me packaging it all up. Got the shipping label on here, and all I got to do now is just take it to UPS. So why don't y'all roll with me? I'm gonna go over to UPS and drop this off, and that's pretty much it. Just wait a couple days for them to get it in. They'll verify it, and then they'll release the funds. And that's pretty simple how it is about selling on Stockx. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and pretty much end the video here. It's real simple, you know, nothing really complicated about about selling on Stockx. But I thought I'd do this video real quick since I was in the process of doing this for today. So if y'all like the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know, and if y'all like what I did for this video, which was pretty simple, you know, now y'all know how it is to sell on Stockx if you've never done it before. So I'm doing this with a lot of my sneakers. Well, I mean, you know, I won't say a lot, but you know, a few double ups and then pairs that, you know, that I just have sitting around that I never worn. So like I said before earlier in the video. So yeah, man, this was just one of them that got sold today. So I'm just shipping this out, and it's pretty simple. So once again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for a couple more videos. I do got a couple reviews coming up here. And that's it. All right, y'all.
Later that same evening.
All right, come on.
Mr. Tell